Ndizi TV Ubwansu.
Marwa bengi omwanchi muligereria bwegeta seni kya Ndizi TV na endene chinga kichingi yato kumirana asemesa yamangana Amayia Chinsa Ikomi chabana magoroba elio tukumanye asenchera yobwenge na ralia yagendrete gokoreka ime na isiko yorogongo rwagusi asibalia bagotobwatia gwetera senchera yaito ye mitandao no tolebuna Ndizi TV News Digital eyonensemo ya Facebook na boigo Ndizi TV News abo YouTube nekrobate chingaki na bogo tweet @Ndizi TV News gosotumekengalikiao wetera ase namba yesimi na manga agendrete gokoreka ekere kwena kiwaneli tukeli molioka lyatigaire gochia sobo chole bonene bu mwaka oyo ekero togendete kueregania senchera ya bene bunegeta seni kya Ndizi TV egere tokoletere ayo agocha gokoreka asenchera yobuime kegima koiranande asegeke kekerebosyo egere nkomanye nara liaya arasemesa yamangana Amayia Chinsa chiga asenchera yobwenge. Njeni gongoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita no liatogo konya na komo kurwa sensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta ekero toko ya chaka kurwa se county ya Kisii ase bunge ya Nyalibali chache asensemo ya Kiogoro abwase amate moya sabiro bokonyi webitoki byechibesa eliokoruselia oyo mwabole ase Nyagitari abwase bono bill egendrete ko bayigoro kegima ekero ya ikire chilinge milioni emo nuguta isano korengana nabateneneri be amatejo nigo batebire basinyiro nyora chibesecho asibasabire abasamaria baya nabantu bo wancho kuyako bakonya egere konyora chibesecho amateyo yeumerana no mulike itobwa mangana Amayia Josephat Hamisi ngochori ko yumerana no roboti ro senchera yoboikiranuge koragense emo ya bono botuko kolende ayanaro amateyo yanyara ko bakigusanga
Amerika na woke nkurukwa mugaka no mambia gasirite wani chentigarte na abana aba umwana ina baturwari twaitana nisinya gitarigo twajire gweta baka bono twaigire bana asitu aubire twara sabire mechango ga twatangi esa changi goisama wato kuna gwake sabu na bito twabwate twani twakoje bono tutigarite gusa nongo sabanga gaki mudare ko wonkonya no embaba simbarati bankonye useni ndusi omwana inya gitari abu mugweiroyo
Litukeli malioka alia etire kerochi campaign bene chiga tomwelio litukuli igoro abana siasa na barai ao nigo barenge ase chimbero chomwelio litukuli igoro eliogo ikera na gokwana na bamenyi korwa chinsemo ao oyo koligia ekerogo kyobo MCA weterase kiamakia ODM poazi sosi korwase wodi yabo chitendere litukuli igoro na umeranete nensemo yabamenyi korwase wodi eyo abo baliete irago chakomosira sosi asokomosoya asoburai abo asebate bete batigiru magega kimagenderero anene ase wodi yo yabo chitendere
jamai ka baba sunya baka botondo to gwatikende ga ba mi to tjande gete umwani aka dare teke ata teke biya ira to kokoka kero mo tja ka so mo nga umwani korare ki
merangwa moko ira chikura musiki moko igore merangu monye igore fri moko ire gasi oinyore ngaga bocha bana mbaro akete iskuru na bara babwate kende obaira no kwa busali ogembo nonya na bangina atoi bana to kone chinye
mure ngesi bwe chinkore twira gakekera mo gakiko koswa please kana to konya ngasi bwe chite kurwa tore teruga tomanya ko sino stoko be italeta magonjwa na yara magonjwa.
Mwana huyu. Sasa mwana mwina. Nani keru mwana ina sokire nani mubaga chikura chini. Bose gano wango kumyo kwanda mwana ito na arwari renkonye. Anya biyaiga. Nago kire sana soko ngarigan. Andi lazima nari goja busunya. Ngoika naringi. Ne mekutano yabe mingi. Lakini era nada ngoja mugaso igoro manya kwa ende. Iga bantu baminto. Egento njenta etemonge keroge kembare drama.
Chingaki echo sosi na aliyeteira yogocha wikirania magenderero ase wodi eyo anene okoena na wechi basari eligo kine birengo by'ekisemi koligereria mangana ye chipara na boigo estima gati ya magendererande onye baguche komosira na kwenekia obeiro mobui asobochoryo banene buli busyo.
Kone nyegitario nyora kurwali. Bono. Aku ikande tamagendero chipasa rinima etemo maite ngachiyo. Nchiro echigo chabali eranje. Chipasa richos elinde bojitendere na into tubwene. Konyoro borabo. Nejita yango bekande krase. Yani tete bojitendere rabe. Yeko narata ari nara abaiko muna bagendere. Botanje no mwana ino bale tramage. Igo bono nabasabire munga ino. Munga ino muna ino abantu baminto. Choro mwana unaso gweta ari kwa manyoro kwa mateo gaki rero nkonyo mwana aseri nako ebaseri kimakwage igo egasi ninko pakorera na ari ninkore no moyo yo muna nyasara bwate mo maete omo gaba no itosimba barati no mo gaka papa ngoira
Abarai kurwase kyombegia Kenya Conference of Catholic Bishops litukolia lero nigo baumira na ase county ya Mombasa ase kanisa ya Mombasa Holy Ghost Church abwase babolire ba Kenya bonsi kwene kyomulembe no botwereru bosyo bacholo banene bumwaka oyo nigo boigo babolire kyombe kyo bacholi ne chimbebe IEBC okore meremo yabo boikiranu elyo gotanga chiburaburu chiraisa kwene kiwa kolengana no bacholi bumwako kolengana na machibu yo bacholi bumwako oyo ayo nigakwanwa amonomo Archbishop Martin Kivuva oyo sabira Kenya omolembe no botwereru ase chingakechi.
IEBC must truly be honest and transparent too. It's a task to ensure that the will of Kenyan voters prevail. We should therefore dedicate today and tomorrow to continue and strengthen our prayer, what we are calling the Triduum, the 3 days of prayer, in order we can discern who to vote for. Protect your ID at this time. There are those who are selling their IDs for money. I know there's challenges of Pesa, but this is not the time to sell your shamba, which is your ID. Do not be cheated to give away for anything, even if you are promised shamba or position.
Murai kurase kiama kia Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance Raila Odinga amono mokonyo ye madhakarua mbasanga amanaba Kristo ao asama sabo yugo sabirense ya Kenya na gusabo mulembe no batoereru bosibo bacholyo bonene ebu mwakoyo babirabo amone chiamate chiabo nigo banyara kwa bakubekwa asama boko anyasaye abwase omokwane osaba kwani ao banyara ko babagusaba omulembe chinkwane chonto chibwati to chokoletera senchera yoboikiranu ensemo yabono maragoba kolende tigankwire goikasamaga chamanene a Kenyatta International Convention Center KICC abwasama savajo agenderete.
Yo
enyomba chiokonia ebinywegwa gose chiba asensema ya The River egotoka se kaunti ya Machakos nigo chigotigara chisiekire lituko lya Jumanne chitariki kianda eliokorwa libaga asaba anto bonsi asensemeyo waka chikura ayo nkorengana nomokonyi bwomo commissioner asensemeyo Charles Wambogo yote bire banyaliko bagokwana amonaba bwatani koro asesete yo abo baigwananire buna litukelyo okoigoro wechibank kuliko chikobaroro ochakera lituko lya Jumanne Chinsa Ikomi na ibere chamambia oikali lituko lya Jumatano lituko likobwatia asabaigo omo commissioner yo gosomo konyi bomo commissioner anyaliko bakagusaba omorembe nobotoereru litukelyo lyechikura
to close bus. So we want to urge our bar operators within our jurisdiction because days of selling and taking beer will always be there. We have 365 days for doing that, engaging in selling and drinking of alcohol, but we only have 1 day in 5 years to exercise our fundamental voting right. So we have agreed that on Tuesday, all bars in the river will close at 6 a.m. and 6 a.m. on Monday, and we have agreed with all our stakeholders. They have said they will support us in that regard. So the whole of Tuesday there will be no opening of bars because in any case people will be voting the whole day. So we have agreed on that. So we want to urge our people to continue preaching peace. Don't allow yourself to be used by politicians. If you are not registered in the river, go and vote where you registered. When you vote, go home peacefully, continue preaching peace and reminding your friends, your family members, the importance of voting for that.
Omo ambassador korwa sense America gocha aiga Kenya Meg Whitman nigobona bulrense ya Kenya goikiranyo bocholi bwomorembe botabwati segi na buraburu chinde chonsi asobocholi bokorekana litukulia Jumanne wiki egocha nonya nabo Whitman nigale no kwegena buna Kenya nechikoro kia machibwa mayata bwati buraburu chinde chonsi asiboigo abulri abantu bonsi kwenekia obotoereru chinga kiechiche chikura abwasate birense ya America nere ange gochegosira ense ya Kenya ile kwenekia buna omorembe onyaliko bago kwenekiwa nigo chinga kiecho aira libaga lya bene na kwegerera egetambukero kiense ya America gotebia abantu babo bamenyatase county ya Kisumu kunganya chinga kiechiga chichi campaign.
The Kisumu security question. The reason that we issued alert around Kisumu is this is the second largest population of Americans outside of Nairobi. So it is because we have a large number of American citizens and a very large number of embassy personnel in Kisumu. So let me just underscore that does not in any way reflect the U.S. views on the outcome of the election. It was a routine security alert because that's where the highest number of our people are. If we had a large number of people in another area, we probably would have added that county as well. With regard to security, I would underscore that I think we play a supporting role to the Kenyan government to run violent-free elections. We cannot take responsibility for that. We can only be helpful in our long-term relationship with, the police and others. But ultimately, it is up to the Kenyans to run violent-free elections. We can play a supporting role. We have lots of programs that we are helping with. But ultimately, this is a Kenyan election held by the Kenyan people, run by the Kenyan government. We can play a supporting role, but it is the Kenyans. You all are on first base. In an American base.
Na babwatani korwase kiombe kelia kia Intergovernmental Authority on Development IGAD nigobono yatumire ababwatani babo bali bakuligireria ngana kyobo choli bogo chegokoreka asense ya Kenya gose election observers gocha sechi county ikomi nemo elio gocha kurigereria ng'ana ki county echo chiariganirie na inde na kino nyina bochorio bonyene bogocha gokoreka ase ense ya Kenya nigo batumirwe ase emambia ya bono abwase bacha kesabari gocha sechi county echo gocha kwenekia ng'ana ki amachibu no bochorio bonene bogocha gokoreka. Ayungati yaria togenderete ukwareganeria senchera yoboikirano chiko yanyora gekoraga ensa moya abono botuko nabo igo chinsa isato chyo botuko bweli tukolia rero igo to baisa gusuka kurwa Ndizi TV ne rowansu bwo mugusi na ende na kigeta seni kiao na mbemo imena isiko yorogongo rwagusi na ende buna nakumanya ekero bono bacholi bwabererange kegima abali kibaito nigo bagenderete kuyabwatia na ande baguchiko yabwatia senchera yoboikirano kegima kurwa sechibunge chonsi kaunti ya Kisii bwege kaunti ya Nyamira na onyenense ya Kenya ngima tuchoko ya letera asenchera yoboikirano to baisa gotigwa magega na ende to baisa komocha ko baime ya Ndizi TV nero bwansu bwomugusi olia to baterana komo asoko enekia buna mariogi agoikerera senchera yoboikirano kebisa amo nechibicha nigakoro kwa John Kebati nolia twakonyana kuma senchera yoko enekia buna kwanyolre amangana yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua au tatwara obuligereri borobia ncheni gongoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.